remind him that the last time he sent the money, it was not enough to buy all the provisions.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell him.
Are you guys talking about money transfer to buy provisions?
Yes.
But don't you know about Baluwo?
Baluwo? What is Baluwo?
Baluwo is a service that your son can use to send provisions directly to you guys from the shop. And you don't have to worry about the exchange rate.
Tell me how Baluwo works.
It's very simple.
Just log on to baluwo.com and shop, or download the app on your phone. You can shop on the website or using the app to buy online basic products for your family and friends. With Baluwo, you decide what your money is spent on. Your money, your choice. Buy online products for your family and friends in the Gambia, Senegal, Nigeria or Mali. Baluwo, better than sending money.
In communication, connectivity is everything. We ensure that the links never sleep. Quantities and qualities, all in our data service, providing efficient, reliable voice and data service. We believe if you're not up to speed, then you're going backwards. Communications have to flow as fast as the speed of light. Whatever business you're in, having someone who understands your needs is critical. That is why we just don't offer you technology, we offer you solutions. Enjoy Gamcel's internet broadband anytime, anywhere. Your national operator, Gamcel, Yaibaram.
Assalamu alaikum. Mbadiŋolu minnu be benta janteŋ nkontanta bi baake pour ka tara jaŋ ka kiyamano fo LRR invite and kiyamano fo NBR comme ñiŋ sasa meŋ be keeriŋ saayiŋ ay banko be disturb and as I said, the government cannot do all, so that's why ntolu fanaŋ na quota meŋ sa keno then lafta kawale di kiaman fulola pour la region out. Wala mu 20,000 for kiaman of LRR and 20,000 kiaman of NBR. Although as I said it's a small but as ku keno jele. Njutudala le baranga longa bi chankol na fala baga baye to ya fuara bankola mu jele. So wala mu na bengoti jang comme we are in the Ramadan month, I don't have a lot to say. Then I can hand over the mic to the chairman NBR, and after he can give mic to the chairman LRR.
Good afternoon to everybody present here today. I want to recognize the presence of the chairman LRR, and also the CEO, Kerr Area Councils, the media present here. We really appreciate your coming today here to witness this presentation. This is a great gesture from Honorable Salif K. Jaiteh, who is the councillor of our representing the business community in our council in North Bank region. So this is a great gesture that he has given to the two councils. We really appreciate it. I know it will go a long way in supporting the corona activities in the region. This pandemic has made people to stay in those businesses where they are not going as usual. I know giving this to a community, they will really appreciate it. We thank him for the gesture, and we also extend to his family for their giving this second-hand clothing to the people of North Bank and LRR. We thank him for offering this 20,000 also, which will go a long way in supporting the people in in the two regions. So thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To all of you in general, and specifically let me say Assalamu alaikum to Mr. Salif Jaiteh and Sons and his team at the office here and also at their other outlets across the country. My colleague and friend, Chairman Bojang from Kerr Area Council, of course the able CEO, Mr. C.D. Toure of Kerr Area Council, the Youth Council representative, Mansakonko Area Council here present, and also the Youth Chairman, Mansakonko Lower River Region, with us, the two Dabos, Sekou Dabo and Karim Dabo. Of course, our very good friends in media, I give you a big salute for the occasion of this presentation and also our fight against Corona. I think today is a very important day that we are witnessing this very important presentation. This presentation is a very symbolic one, bearing in mind that it is coming from one of us. The businessman involved, who is Salif K. Jaiteh, is indeed a household name in the sub-region, not only the Gambia. But again, he also is a serving councillor in Kerr Area Council, representing the business community. This is what makes it much more symbolic and important, because he has reflected on the importance of contributing his quota towards the fight that we are all engaged in. Of course, including the council that he is serving, that is Kerr Area Council. On the other hand, again, I will see it as a very symbolic gesture as well, that it is coming from the business sector directed to local government areas in the provinces or in the regions. I think at this juncture, we will use this opportunity while we thank Mr. Jaiteh and his company to request and also appeal to other participants or businesses to please kindly focus on the provinces as well, or in the regional local government areas as well. We of course notice the contribution that the business community is doing to people across the country, but we say this as some word of encouragement and motivation for more business companies and personnel in business to emulate Mr. Jaiteh. We cannot overemphasize the importance of this support, and I want to, at this juncture, on behalf of all my colleagues as local government authorities across the country, on behalf of all of them, and on behalf of GALGA, that is the Gambia Association of Local Government Authorities, and on behalf of the ministry in general that we serve, to acknowledge and thank Mr. Jaiteh for recognizing and also having the trust to provide this support to the local government authorities. We, of course, will realize and believe that the local government authorities are the closest to the people. And therefore, if you want to support the people, the best and the practice and also the best approach will be to channel it through the local government authorities. And I want to assure you that this support that we are witnessing today, which is to the tune of about 500,000, both in terms of the cash, 40,000, and also the material that will be given, will actually get to the intended beneficiaries, of course, which are the people in the communities. On that note, I want to thank all of you, and also, again, wish and pray Mr. Jaiteh, who indeed is our son, Kianka's son, that, of course, he cannot do anything, but he has to do something like this, because we know Salifu has contributed and has participated in a lot of development agenda in the country. So this is one of them. And we definitely have trust and confidence that his business will continue to do many more like this. On that note, Mr. Jaiteh, thank you very much, and thank you all for coming.
Thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much. Now, company.
Valuable, yes.
Important
This
area
is
in the
the
Gambia.
second time he has been presenting cash prize to the people of North Bank. He did it and said, well, I am doing this to renovate a health center in Ileasa, which mounted to $50,000. So this is the second time he has been doing this.
Chairman. Okay.
Thank you.
Presentation of the cloth, 35 bales of the cloth to North Bank region. Chairman is here, CEO is here. So this is 35 bales, costing $200-something thousand. So we always want to help people needy. Our company, we did that for more than 35 years. So this is 35 bales, as I said, to this CEO, then get this, like this. So 35 days. It's for North Bank. Thank you. LRR is from Kerr. I think Badbunga Jongo, not so. This also is 35 bales of clothing for LRR. So we'll do the handing over to the chairman. So chairman is 35 bales for LRR. Okay, thank you, chairman.
Okay, let me give you a brief statement. Thank you very much, Mr. Jaiteh. On behalf of the people of Lower River Region, and of course on behalf of the people of the Gambia, and all my colleagues, local government authorities across the country, I want to receive this donation and support to our people in respect to our fight against COVID-19. It's indeed a very big support, and we value it that much. I know if you have to monetize what is here, and that of what is given to North Bank Region or Kerawan Area Council, it's going to be a huge amount of money. So we cannot underestimate the support that is being provided. We will thank Mr. Jaiteh very well and his company. We, of course, will want to assure him that this support will definitely reach the intended beneficiaries. On that note, we thank everybody for coming, and we pray that Allah the Almighty reward him abundantly. He is our son, and I'm sure he has come to our support. We will continue to pray for him and many like him. We encourage others also to follow suit the contribution and support Mr. Jaiteh is giving to the Gambian people, which we know dates back to a very long time ago. So that support is still here, and we want many more others to emulate him. Thank you very much, Mr. Jaiteh.
Thank you.
Of owning your dream homes, EJ Investment is here for you. Secure our quality bungalows with 2, 3, or 4 bedrooms, or our story buildings, 3 or 4 to 5 bedrooms at very affordable prices with flexible payment plans at our Sanyang Seaview Estate, where you can enjoy the cool breeze with modern infrastructure such as tar roads, covered drainage system, modern electrification with street lights, gated entrance with security posts, and social amenities such as gas station, shopping mall, medical clinic, park, schools, children daycare, and a lot more. Our dedicated team of professionals will keep the estate clean at all times, provide security and patrol team within the estate premises, install latest technologies such as CCTV, Wi-Fi, home network installation, solar panel, and power backup system. Also, Check out for our additional home facilities and interior design service, such as premium tiling, wall plaster, home landscape, fingerprint home lock, and a lot more. Visit our office at Senegambia Kololi Highway and get a free site visit tour, or contact us on 4464-838. WhatsApp us on 3259220. Or you can visit our Facebook page or Instagram on EJ Investments. EJ Investments, we are first in properties.
Agada.
Mbijan raganyadi.
Albaka.
Mbaka important.
Yo, nga transfer la sto.
Ya transfer la.
Ha, code nyingi.
Okay. Korsa. Nsila ID soto.
Ah, sa soto. Sorry. Agada.
Mbijan bro.
Albaka.
Mbaka.
Bara alla service o tariaka.
Ah,
mbare mo ki janna nun kunu bara tariaka.
Ah, jannom yona forest de bureau. Gambia tonkon na no mbari ya bere. Ha. Birim koyna fo kato.
Bari si kodo kino kato ni fo bolong blabe to.
56 branches mola soto Gambia jam.
Ha?
Ha. Gambia kono ani Gambia bantala bankol. Nka kodo kiya bere to. Kodo sifa fo falindiro fo nyaadi lafta memmen na kodi to poto nin kodi maraw. Jannam number 1 di nyonta. Andum fana nata anoda enterprise sotale. Wolam nyindi ko domorol fana kol fana be firale de dadi ma ni domorol ni fana beteat. Gambia dawda yalo ngam fa kendol sotale je.
Ha wo mo yo diat ha.
Apelenta
ni wo ka ni na lafta nyelen kendo le binaji.
Yalo bu kanila ko la baraka ba.
Yalo ndel chosano lo.
Abaraka.